Sebring. We have already replaced the starter in this car. We just did a test. It turns on, it runs great. I'm just going to give you guys a breakdown on what you got to do to get it out. Alright guys, I thought I was going to have to be digging into a motor to do this junkyard pull, but the starter, the engine is out. The starter is right there. And, I can actually just pull this out. Okay, I can't even do a, alright. Somebody already pulled the whole motor, and I only had to remove a couple of bolts. So, guys, when you start this project to remove the starter, you're going to want to remove the power wire going to the starter. Just a safety precaution, rather be safe than sorry, but it should take you realistically 25 minutes, 30 minutes to get out. It's a pretty quick job. There is a mount right here, but it's broken, so when you remove that bolt right there, you're going to remove this hose, that hose, and this plug. Remove the hose, and then pull up on this. There's little rubber mounts. I don't know if you guys can see it. Zoom in a bit here. Can you see how that rubber bushing's moving? It'll pull right up off of there. So after I get that box off, I'll get back with the air box. So there's nothing there, and also the main intake line to the throttle body. So to get your starter out, you're gonna have to remove two 10mm bolts on the intake and a 13mm bolt right here. It's a bracket. Okay, those 3 bolts, that'll come out. And then if you can see, there's a 15mm bolt that is a grounding bolt. And then on the bottom, so there's another 15mm right there. I'll give you guys a front view. So this is your bottom one. And this is your top one with a grounding bolt. Once you undo those 2 bolts, you can finagle the starter through this cavity. This is the power wire going to the starter. And you can, I didn't have to remove anything else to get it out besides that throttle body harness right there. So it does come out without removing a bunch of stuff. Realistically, 2 bolts hold it in and it comes out. And that's that. Alright guys, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, share it. If this was helpful to you, leave a comment, tell me that it was helpful to you. And if you guys would like to see more, or maybe other vehicles, leave a comment. I'll go to the junkyard and start removing stuff, show you guys how to remove this stuff. You guys have a great day.